Hello, this is Brian from Drum Design Remodel, and today I'm going to show you how to install a flashing pan under a exterior door. Some people would look at where we have this to right now and say, well, you can just put some caulk down and set the door in place, but it's not appropriate for if water gets behind or comes down the side and gets behind that caulk barrier. This was part of the reason why we pulled this door. The water was getting past and wetting the wood floor on the other side. So with the door being out now, I'm going to go through the process of putting in a plastic sill pan before we reinstall or install a new door. So right here I have a flexible flashing material that I'm going to install from the door opening down to the flashing for the deck. So if whatever water gets into the pan that we'll be installing will come down outside of the building envelope of the house. This flashing sticks really well when it's warm out. Not so well when it's cold out, but right now it's nice and warm. Adhere it real well to the metal flashing that goes down behind the deck. We'll slice the corners and allow it to flap down onto the roof subfloor. Now this doesn't matter too much that it goes down onto this subfloor, because our pan that we'll be installing has a plastic lip that goes down over the front, but it can't hurt to be on this surface. Okay, so that's all installed now. So now we'll go through the process of installing the actual plastic sill pan. So you can pick up these sill pans usually at a window and door supplier. They normally come in 3 pieces with the 2 end caps that are pre-formed to fit, and then the center section that you can cut to fit your door opening. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put these 2 ends in place. Usually use a couple nails up on the flange here just to tack them in place as high as possible. So we'll tack the 2 ends in. And in the center section, we'll lay down, and you can see there's an overlap. And what we're going to do now is apply a regular like plumbing PVC primer and glue to both surfaces to glue the sections of the panels together. I'll be somewhat careful with this because it will stain your other building materials. Back and put some glue on both surfaces. Make sure they're nicely coated. this over and stick this in place. Now what I'm going to do here, I have some blue painter's tape. Put over this just to kind of hold it in place while it dries. Okay. And then I have additional pieces of flexible flashing tape that I'm going to apply to each end. We're going to apply it up the side here. It'll cover our nail that's holding everything together at the ends. And apply the flashing into the jamb and around the face, so that if any water comes down, gets behind our flange on the door, it'll run on the surface of the flashing and then right back out. So we don't have any problem with any water getting in. To the other side here. And we're done. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy process, and the sill pans are not real expensive, especially when you're putting a door in already. It adds very little cost to the project and is really the right way to do it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through our website, or you can give us a call. Again, this is Brian from Drum Design Remodel.